Hello everyone, welcome back to A Little More Than Desi. This is Juhit and I hope you all are doing fine. Today I came up with the most easy and delicious recipe of tomato pickle. Yes, we have been making different types of chutneys, curries, but this is different. This is a pickle. And also this can be last for 6 months to 1 year. So let's get started. We are making for 1.5 kg of fresh red tomatoes. Slice it in this way. Now we will add 250 grams of rock salt in it, 1 full teaspoon of turmeric powder. Mix it well with your hands. Cover the lid and we'll let it stay overnight. The next day morning, you can see the tomatoes have released the water. Squeeze the tomatoes out in the big plates. Now, in the water released by tomatoes, we'll add 250 grams of tamarind. Remember, we are not adding any extra water in the whole process. And then we'll sun dry the tomatoes and also the tamarind soaked in the tomato water. When the sunlight is bright, it took just a day for me. The tomatoes are completely dry. If you see them wet, you can also sun dry it for the next day. Now, we will roast 1 teaspoon of methi and 1 teaspoon of jeera, one by one. Now here we will add 250 grams of red chili powder. Mix it. Now add tomatoes. Now grind the roasted methi and jeera. And add it in. Give it a mix. Now we'll grind the whole pickle. The pickle is 80% ready. We'll transfer it in a bowl. Now take out a little pickle in a separate bowl, we say for a week. And the remaining pickle you can store it in a jar. For the pickle we have taken out, we'll give it a tadka of rai jeera, garlic and curry leaves. And hing. Now turn off the gas and let the tadka settle down. Then pour it on the pickle. After that I will say let it stay for 2 to 3 hours so the real taste comes out. And then we can have it. I love this pickle with the rice and ghee. You can also try it out. See how beautiful the color is. It's gonna taste so amazing. Our tomato pickle is ready. As we know, the COVID situation is challenging day by day, so sit tight, make your favorite recipes at home. Even I will be coming up with the more recipes. Thank you for watching. Stay safe, stay healthy.